Welcome to Lesson 9, problem number 7, where we are trying to determine whether the points P, Q, and R are collinear. Now, the definition of collinear means on the same line. So if 3 points are on the same line, that must mean that the slope between any two of those points has to be the same as between one of the points and any other point. So in other words, pick any 2 points on this line, and the slope has to be the same as any other 2 points you might pick. So let's get started, and let's just try to start by finding the slope of PQ. So I'm going to say slope, and I'm going to just call it for right now of segment PQ. So the slope of segment PQ is going to be equal to y2, so negative y minus 2y over negative 3x minus x. So I'm doing x2 minus x1. When we simplify, we get negative 3y over negative 4x. So that's the slope between P and Q. All right, now I'm going to change the color, and now we're going to find the slope between Q and R. I could just as easily do between P and R. It would be the same answer either way. The slope would turn out the same no matter which 2 points I choose, as long as the points are collinear. So let's just do Q and R. And so what I want to see right now is that the slope of QR, we're going to do it right below here. So the slope of QR, segment QR, is equal to 8y minus a negative y, because it's 8y minus a negative y, over 9x minus a negative 3x. 8y minus a negative y, this becomes a plus, and this is also going to become a plus because a negative minus a negative is a plus. Okay, so let's go back here, and we're going to get 9y over 12x. So you might think, oh, well, that doesn't look the same as the slope above, but remember, this is a light bulb, so I expect you to see this. It's a tough one, though. The negatives cancel right here. So basically, in the numerator, we have 3y for the slope of PQ, and the denominator is 4x. Now, for this one, notice that 9 over 12 can be reduced to 3 over 4. So we once again have 3y over 4x. Since these two slopes right here and here are exactly the same, are the 2 points collinear? Yes, because the slopes are equal. Okay, great job. See you next time.